What happens to your body when you walk 10 minutes every day? Walking is one of the simplest, most accessible forms of exercise, and yet its benefits are often underestimated. The good news? You don't need to run a marathon or spend hours in the gym to experience significant improvements in your health. A simple 10-minute walk every day can have powerful effects on both your body and mind. In this video, we're going to break down what happens to your body when you walk for just 10 minutes each day, and why this small habit can make a huge difference in your overall well-being. 1. Boosts your heart health. One of the first and most important benefits of walking is the positive impact on your heart. The American Heart Association recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week, and while 10 minutes a day is below that threshold, it's still a great start. Regular walking, even for just 10 minutes, can help reduce your risk of cardiovascular diseases by improving circulation, lowering blood pressure, and increasing good cholesterol levels. As you walk, your heart rate increases, and your blood circulates more efficiently, helping to improve the overall function of your heart. Over time, this simple daily habit can strengthen your heart muscle, reduce the risk of heart disease, and help maintain healthy blood flow. 2. Improves mental health. Walking has a profound effect on your mental and emotional well-being. Research shows that just a 10-minute walk can help reduce stress, alleviate anxiety, and improve your mood. When you walk, your brain releases endorphins, the feel-good chemicals that act as natural mood boosters. These endorphins can help combat feelings of stress and depression, and even a short walk can provide a mental reset, making you feel more focused and less anxious. In fact, studies have found that even brief periods of physical activity like walking can enhance cognitive function and creativity. So, if you're feeling mentally foggy, taking a quick walk could help clear your mind and improve your ability to think more clearly. 3. Increases energy levels. If you often find yourself feeling sluggish during the day, a quick 10-minute walk can be just the pick-me-up you need. Walking increases blood circulation and oxygen flow throughout your body, which boosts energy levels and combats fatigue. It's like a natural energy drink, but without the caffeine crash. Additionally, regular walking can improve your overall stamina and endurance. While 10 minutes might not sound like much, over time, this habit can gradually increase your ability to perform other activities without feeling as tired or out of breath. As your body gets accustomed to regular movement, you'll notice an increase in your energy and a decrease in feelings of tiredness during the day. 4. Supports weight loss and healthy metabolism. While a 10-minute walk alone isn't likely to result in dramatic weight loss, it can certainly contribute to a healthier metabolism over time. Walking helps burn calories and boosts your metabolism, and when combined with a healthy diet, it can be a great way to maintain or lose weight gradually. The more you walk, the more you'll develop lean muscle, which in turn helps to increase your metabolism. Even small amounts of regular exercise can help you maintain a healthy weight, improve muscle tone, and keep your metabolism running efficiently. Over time, these benefits add up, helping you stay in better shape. 5. Improves joint and muscle health. Walking is a low-impact exercise, which makes it a great choice for maintaining joint and muscle health, particularly as we age. A regular 10-minute walk helps keep the muscles in your legs, hips, and lower back active and engaged, which can improve flexibility and reduce stiffness. Additionally, walking promotes the production of synovial fluid, which lubricates your joints and helps prevent the wear and tear that can lead to conditions like arthritis. If you suffer from joint pain or stiffness, starting with a short daily walk can help improve mobility and reduce discomfort over time. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your joints healthy and flexible. 6. Helps with digestion. You might not think of walking as a digestive aid, but it can play a key role in supporting your digestive system. After meals, taking a short walk can help stimulate your digestive process, encouraging food to move through your stomach and intestines more efficiently. This can help prevent constipation and improve overall digestion. Walking activates your abdominal muscles, which helps with peristalsis, the wave-like movements that push food through your digestive tract. It can also reduce bloating and discomfort after meals, making it a great habit to incorporate into your daily routine. 7. Enhances sleep quality. Getting quality sleep is essential for overall health, and surprisingly, walking can help improve the quality of your rest. Regular exercise, like a brisk 10-minute walk, can help regulate your sleep patterns by promoting deeper, more restful sleep. Walking also helps reduce insomnia symptoms by lowering levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, and increasing the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. If you struggle with falling asleep or staying asleep, a daily walk, even if it's just for 10 minutes, could be a natural remedy to improve your sleep hygiene and enhance the rest you get each night. 8. Helps maintain balance and coordination. As you age, maintaining balance and coordination becomes increasingly important to prevent falls and injuries. Regular walking helps strengthen the muscles in your legs and core, which improves your balance and stability. A 10-minute walk can help with spatial awareness and muscle coordination, making it easier to navigate through daily activities without feeling unsteady. Conclusion: incorporating just 10 minutes of walking into your day is an easy, sustainable way to improve both your physical and mental health. From boosting your heart health and increasing energy to improving mood, digestion, and sleep, the benefits of walking every day are numerous. Plus, it's a low-impact, accessible exercise that doesn't require any special equipment, making it something almost anyone can do. So, if you're looking for an easy way to improve your overall health, start with a short daily walk. It's a small habit that can lead to big changes over time. The best part? You don't have to run a marathon. Just take 10 minutes to walk each day, and your body will thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips and lifestyle advice. Keep moving and stay healthy.